G'day Bill as well. I've got this radio to repair for a customer. Nice old Astor, or Astor. The model is a GPM, this one. So I googled that and get me schematics and everything for it. It uses a variable inductor for a tuning capacitor there. You can see it just in there. It's the first I've seen. I think that it exists, but it's the first actual real example I've actually seen of one. If you have radio, I got this as a conventional tuning gang or tuning capacitor with the fins. This is actually an inductive tuned set. Aerial and earth, which just stops the interference, noise getting in. Yeah, usual things, suspect capacitors, because he did try it. Most of his valve radios work, but this one it doesn't. The lights just come on and nothing else, so it just needs capacitors. I'll print out the call signs thing for him too. He's an antique stealer, pretty nice guy. I bought stuff off these guys before. So, be a good project. No, I haven't done a valve radio repair video in a long time. All my other valve radios I've got them put away safely in the cupboard. They're a little dusty, but they'll clean up alright. I'll set them up when I get to my new house. Set them up properly. I did give them a bit of a run here and there just to keep the capacitors in good nick. And I'll get the copy of the call signs so they can understand how these call signs worked back in the day. Because the newer generation, newer people, younger people don't even know what the hell they are. They just got the numbers on the scale. Fix up the thing here. That's kind of stiff. The chassis while they move, and they're just hard to turn. The volume button hits the front case, the chassis move back, and the case has just been popped up a bit. It's supposed to be clipped inside there. All the screws are intact. I don't think this thing's ever been apart. I'll get the light and we'll have a look in there. It's a 5 valve set. Six BH5, looks like we've got a 6M5 I think. No, 6AQ5 I think that is. No, 6AQ5. This doesn't use a 6M5. 6AQ5 was a better valve than a 6M5, because the 6M5 was prone to burning out a lot. Mullard valves. There's a better look at that inductor there, that tuning inductor. You can just get in there. Here it is. Just a magnetic coil and a coil that slides in and out. Like your IF cans, but it's using one of those basically as its tuning gang. A roller speaker. Pretty clean inside, all original. I have to just check the wiring, because the rubber wiring there is crumbly. But I got some liquid electrical tape if I can't actually get in there to replace them. Just going to do a basic recap. Check all the resistors, deox at the pots, and that's it. And this thing is good to go. We've got an electrolyte up there, which is a main filter, C50 volts. Yeah, that'd be the main filter for the. That's a main filter capacitor up there, old G-Con, Aussie made. And there's an IRC, which is a potentiometer with a switch, rotary switch. 1 amp, 250 volt, Australian made. Fix that speaker decal, re-stick that on there, keep that original. Oh yeah, made in Melbourne by Roller Code. The cones are overall in pretty good condition, there's no holes in it. I'll do a restoration video on this and a proper setup with a camera and a tripod. I've got to bloody work on my bloody video skills to get this camera straight and still. But I'll set this up on a tripod and we'll do a valve radio restoration video. Haven't done one of those in a long time. The other chassis valve radio I got for free. The wooden cabinet, the big one, haven't really needed to do anything to that because that's electronically fine, yeah. But this is another one I haven't done in a while. I haven't seen many radios for sale now. They're just not around anymore. People are buying them, but they do pop up from time to time. But they're just later models and not really desirable. This one is. I kind of like this one. It's in good nick too. It's 1957, I think this to be from. 56, 55 onwards. GPM model, which I'll Google anyway, and I'll confirm the year. I'm pretty sure it'll be a 56, 57, this one. Now it's got like a connector on the back, which is for your auxiliary input, an old crystal cartridge. Which if they really want, I can add an isolating audio one-to-one transformer there, use it as an auxiliary input for your phone or a Bluetooth device. Pretty much there's no way to switch onto it though. How this would actually work, you just tune it to a blank station where there's nothing there, and you'll be able to hear the audio. You can play it over the station, but it just play it over. You get it talks over the top of it. It doesn't sound right. You just tune to a quiet area like that, and play your auxiliary source through that, and it's good enough. But it'll get a good cosmetic clean. Give it a clean the case. Give it a good once over. It's going to look real nice when it's done. They'll be really happy with it. Anyway, that's what's to come. Thanks for watching.